Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to get and install Google Chrome with command prompt CMD in Windows. So let's get started. First thing first, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to open a terminal window. To make sure your system is up to date, run these two commands. Install wget if you don't have already. This is the tool you will use to download the Chrome package from the prompt. Type wget//version and press the enter key. If you see a version number, just skip to the next now. But if you get an error because wget is not installed, type sudo apt install wget and press the enter key to install it. Type this above code and press the enter key. After the package is finished downloading, you will return to the command prompt. To install Chrome from the download package, use the following command. Type sudo dpkg/i Google Chrome stable current AMD 64.deb and press enter. Then simply type google-chrome and press enter to launch Chrome. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.